Who was the coach of the Indian under-19 men's cricket team which won the under-19 World Cup 2018? Rahul Dravid. With which sports is the term tumble turns associated? Swimming. As of May 2019, Vidarbha has won dash Ranji Trophy tournaments. Answer is 2. Which team has won the UEFA Champions League football trophy at Madrid on 1st June 2019? Answer is Liverpool. Which country won the 2019 Sultan Azlan Shah Cup hockey title? South Korea. Who won a silver medal in the equestrian event at the 2018 Asian Games? Fawad Mirza. With which sports is the term jab associated? Answer is boxing. Which team won the 2019 Indian Premier League? Mumbai Indians. Who won gold in the men's freestyle wrestling 65 kg category at the Dan Kolov 2019 wrestling event? Bajrang Punia. The world body governing of which sport has introduced a new game format called triples? Badminton. Which sports is played in a velodrome? Cycling. Ibrahim Rahmatullah Cup is associated with badminton. Sushil Kumar, Olympic medal winner, is associated with wrestling. Azlan Shah Cup is associated with which sports? Hockey. The stadium Eden Gardens is situated at Kolkata. In basketball, how many players are there in each side? Answer is 5. Who is the first Indian to score a century in Indian Premier League? Manish Pandey. In which country Multan Cricket Stadium is located? Pakistan. Kidambi Srikanth is associated with which game or sport? Badminton. First modern Olympic Games was held in which year? 1896. Who invented the game volleyball? William G. Morgan. Dusra is a type of dash. It is a type of spin bowling. First Asian Games were held in 1951 in New Delhi. Bhutia, Rooney, Ronaldo, Maradona are known for their association to football. Which one is the oldest Grand Slam of the world? Answer is Wimbledon. How is the boxing game conducted? It is conducted in a ring. Commonwealth Weightlifting Championship 2019 held at Samoa. Which city was selected as host city of 2022 Winter Olympics? Beijing. In sports, pentathlon consists of how many events? Answer is 5. How many players are there in a football team? 11. The term corner kick is used in the game of football, in memory of whom the marathon competition was introduced in the modern Olympics. Fidipites. The term butterfly stroke is used in the game of swimming. In which year women were allowed to compete in Olympics? 1900. In volleyball game, referee showing red and yellow card jointly indicates expulsion. The term crouch start is associated with which event? Sprint. The ground of sports for the game lawn tennis is called as court. The headquarters of Melbourne Cricket Club is located in London. Professor Gurudutt Sondhi contributed to the foundation of which organization? Asian Games Federation. Which chess pieces moves in a straight line but kills in a cross direction? Answer is pawn. Which was the host city of the first modern Summer Olympic Games held in 1896? Athens. The game of football is also referred to as soccer. Which country does Roger Federer represent in lawn tennis competitions? Switzerland. The periodicity of the Commonwealth Games is 4 years. Cricket World Cup 2023 is scheduled to be hosted by India. How many players on each side are required for the game of volleyball? Answer is 6. Which two teams played the first official international cricket match? United States of America and Canada. Queensberry rules is the code followed in which sport? Boxing. With which sport is the term T connected? Answer is golf. Who is the first Indian female gymnast ever to compete in the Olympics? Deepa Karmakar. Which sports is Gurmeet Singh associated with? Race walk. Which sport is Yuzvendra Chahal related to? Cricket. Indira Pradhan Trophy is associated with which sports game? Volleyball. India celebrates its National Sports Day on 29th August. Who is the first Pakistani to score a double century in ODI one-day internationals? Fakhar Zaman. The famous boxing personality Mary Kom belongs to which state? Manipur. Football was officially included as a competitive game in Olympics in which year? 1908. With which sport is B. Sai Praneeth associated? Badminton. The terms birdie and eagle are used in which of the following sports or games? Answer is golf. Which northeastern state of India has signed up to host the 39th National Games in the year 2022? Meghalaya. Indian athlete Neeraj Chopra created history by becoming the first Indian to get gold in a World Athletics Championship. What was his sport? Javelin throw. Name the professional Indian basketball player who became the first ever player to be drafted from India into the National Basketball Association. Satnam Singh Bamara. These regional teams, Dabang Mumbai, Kalinga Lancers, Ranchi Race, and Delhi Wave Riders, play against each other in which sports league competition? Hockey India League. The book Six Machine, I Don't Like Cricket, I Love It. It is the autobiography of which Jamaican cricketer who plays international cricket for West Indies? Chris Gale. The term jamming is associated with which of the following sports? Lawn tennis. Toda, a sport dance, belongs to which of the following states? Himachal Pradesh. Which is the national sport of Bangladesh? Kabaddi. The phrase bend your back is used in which sport? Cricket. Who is the author of the book Shane Warne's Century? Answer is Shane Warne. Which cricketer has scored highest runs in international test cricket? Sachin Tendulkar. The term address is associated with which sport? Answer is golf. Mahesh Bhupati, Nadal and Federer are known for their association with tennis. Wimbledon, known for lawn tennis tournament, is in London. What is the nickname of Harbhajan Singh? The Turbinator. When was the Calcutta Cricket and Football Club founded? In the year 1792. In tennis, hard court is a type of court whose surface is made of concrete. Hampi Koneru is associated with which sport? Answer is chess. Who was the first cricketer to score 4 successive centuries in World Cup cricket? Kumar Sangakkara. The winners of 2019 ICC Men's World Cup won a cash award of dash, which is the highest prize money on offer in the history of the tournament. $4 million. Who is the winner of Orange Cap in the IPL 2019 for highest runs scored in the tournament? David Warner. Who is the winner of Women's Singles Indonesian Masters Badminton Tournament 2019? Saina Nehwal. The Indian movie star Rahul Bose was associated with dash sport of India? Rugby. 2019 Indian Open Badminton winner Ratchanok Intanon belongs to which country? Thailand. The 1979 Cricket World Cup was won by West Indies. India won a total of dash medals at the Special Olympics World Summer Games held in Abu Dhabi from 14th to 21st March 2019. 368. Who won the women's singles title at the 2019 Australian Open tennis tournament? Naomi Osaka. With which sport is the term twiddle associated? Table tennis. As of 2019, who won the maximum number of Grand Slam tournaments in men's tennis? Roger Federer. As of 2019, which nation has won the maximum number of Olympic gold medals in men's hockey? India. Which is the first Grand Slam tennis tournament of the year? Australian Open. Thomas Cup is associated with badminton. Jyoti Randhawa is associated with which sport? Golf. Saina Nehwal is related to badminton. Jude Felix is a famous Indian player in which sports? Hockey. Michael Phelps, the Olympic swimmer, has secured dash Olympic swimming medals. Answer is 28. In the game of cricket, the two sets of wickets are dash yards apart. They are 22 yards apart. With which sports is the term Grand Slam associated? Lawn tennis. Yasin Merchant is associated with which sports? Snooker. Mary Kom, a sports person who was in news recently, belongs to boxing. Milka Singh, a sports person, is associated with which sports? Athletics.